We are here at the Emperor's Palace. Today is one of the big days here in South Africa because the Steve Biko Foundation and other stakeholders are actually awarding those lawyers or legal representatives that went to the ICJ in the Netherlands to represent South Africa. Let me introduce Professor Cooper, who will elaborate more on the event and why did they decide to plan such an event. Professor Cooper, thank you very much for your time. You can explain to our viewers at home the purpose of this event.
Well, this is the 30th anniversary of our democracy. It's also the 30th anniversary of the Psychological Society of South Africa and the 10th anniversary of the Pan-African Psychology Union. So both these organizations are holding a joint conference here. And the Steve Biko Foundation, the Fondation Franz Fanon, the Pan-African Psychology Union and the Psychological Society together felt that it's appropriate to honor our legal team, all of them, with the 4th Steve Biko Franz Fanon Award for Psychological Liberation because of the victory they had in the International Court of Justice on an issue that's very close to our hearts because we've come just over 30 years ago from a terrible period of apartheid, a crime against humanity. And when something like this happened somewhere else, and we who have been on the receiving end of that system before, we needed to take a stand. So we're honoring all the legal people for shining and ensuring that dignity of human beings all over the world is protected, because that is ultimately what we need to do as South Africans, as fellow human beings, as the family of humanity, to ensure that no human being is allowed to oppress another in anybody's name. And that is why we felt it's the appropriate fitting during this Congress.
How was it to plan this event?
Oh, it's a massive event because we have former Chief Justice Raymond Zondo. We have Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Nzimande. We have former Deputy President Balega Mbete. We have guests from abroad. We have guests from all over the continent. These are leaders of psychology in their own field and in their own countries, and all of them, together with South Africa, are celebrating this joyous event.
Thank you very much for your time. Well, that was Professor Cooper explaining to SABC News about the importance of this event. My name is Calvin Dludla for SABC News in Johannesburg.